Over 50? These three seated glute exercises can rebuild your balance, strength, and confidence. What if the exercise you've been told for years is the best way to stay strong after 50 is actually making you weaker? What if squats, the so-called king of fitness, are quietly causing hip pain, knee strain, and muscle imbalance for millions of adults over 50? And what if the real secret to walking better, standing taller, and staying independent isn't standing at all, but sitting? Stay with me because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you three seated glute movements that are helping people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond regain strength, balance, and confidence without pain. Waving hand welcome plus INTRO welcome to Senior Wellness, the channel dedicated to helping adults over 50 stay strong, stable, and independent without destroying their joints. If you're new here, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about, because everything we do here is built to help real people move better and live better as they age. And before we continue, drop a comment below with your first name, your age, and where you're watching from. This isn't just a channel. It's a growing community of strong, motivated adults who refuse to slow down. Brain why squats fail after 50. You've probably been told this your whole life. Do squats to stay strong. Squats build your legs. Squats protect your mobility. That advice is not wrong. But after 50, it is incomplete and sometimes dangerous. Here's why. As we age, our glute muscles, especially the gluteus maximus and gluteus medius, begin to weaken and shut down. This happens because we sit more, we walk more than we lift, we favor one leg after injury, we lose neuromuscular connection. When that happens, squats no longer train the glutes evenly. Instead, the stronger side takes over. The thighs and lower back compensate, the weaker glute gets weaker. This leads to hip imbalance, knee pain, lower back strain, poor posture, higher fall risk. Many people over 50 are working out regularly, but getting worse results. Not because they're lazy, but because they're training the wrong muscles. That's why today's video matters. Bone why glutes control your life after 50. Your glutes are not about appearance. They control how you walk, how you stand, how you climb stairs, how you get out of a chair, how stable your hips and spine are. When your glutes are weak or uneven, your pelvis tilts, your spine twists, your knees collapse inward, your balance suffers, and eventually, your confidence disappears. The good news? You can reverse this safely from a chair. Chair why seated glute exercises work better. Seated glute exercises remove knee stress, remove spinal compression, prevent cheating from the stronger side, allow full muscle activation, are safer for arthritis, back pain, and joint replacements, and they activate glutes better than squats for adults over 50. Now let me show you the three exercises that rebuild strength, restore symmetry, and protect your future. Third place medal exercise number 3. Seated hip abduction. This movement wakes up the gluteus medius, the muscle that keeps your hips level when you walk. When this muscle is weak, one hip drops, one knee collapses, balance suffers, falls become more likely. How to do it? Sit on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor. Band around your thighs just above the knees, push your knees outward, hold 2 seconds, slowly return, do 12 to 20 reps if one side is weaker. Press only that leg outward, do extra reps on the weak side. This single movement restores pelvic stability, improves balance, protects your knees and back. Second place medal exercise number 2. Seated glute bridge. Hip thrust. This is the power move. It targets the gluteus maximus, the muscle that lets you stand up, walk uphill, carry groceries, get out of a car. How to do it? Sit on the floor, upper back against couch or bench, feet flat, knees bent, drive through your heels, lift hips, squeeze glutes, hold 2 seconds, lower slowly, do 10 to 15 reps. This builds strength, power, hip protection, lower back support without joint pain. First place medal exercise number 1. Single leg glute bridge. This is the imbalance fixer. Most people over 50 have one glute that is 30 to 40% weaker than the other. That causes hip shift, back pain, knee pain, poor posture. This exercise forces each side to work alone. How to do it? Lie on your back, one foot on floor, one leg lifted, push through heel, lift hips. Hold 2 seconds, lower slowly, 6 to 12 reps per side. Do extra reps on the weak side. This one exercise realigns your pelvis, improves gait, restores symmetry, reduces pain. DNA. Why this works after 50. The problem isn't effort, it's precision. You don't need more weight. You don't need more reps. You need better muscle communication. These three movements Reactivate, strengthen, balance, protect your body. Speech balloon community CTA. Tell me in the comments, which side feels weaker, left or right? You're not alone, and your comment helps others realize they're not broken. Direct hit final message: you don't need to train like a 25-year-old. You need to train for the body you have now and the life you still want to live. Strong hips mean safer walking, better posture, more energy, less pain, more independence, and it starts from a chair. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, share if this helped you. Like this video, subscribe to Senior Wellness, share this with someone over 50 because strength is better when shared. Red heart if you want. I can now also give you YouTube description, pin comment, hashtags, thumbnail, text, viral shorts, hook, image, prompt, just tell me fire.